Hey guys, it's Saray Garcia, and today I will be talking about public fire education. More specifically, the topic I chose to speak about today is cooking fires, and that's due to all the holidays that are coming up, such as Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Day, especially Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is actually the peak day for home cooking fires. Today we'll be going over some cooking safety tips. So, cooking is the number one cause of home fires and home injuries. The leading cause of fires in the kitchen is due to unattended cooking. The majority of victims that are injured in fires are hurt while trying to put the fire out. It's very important for us to be alert so that we can prevent cooking fires. Always be alert. If you are sleepy or you've been drinking, you probably shouldn't be using the stove or the stovetop. You should always stay in the kitchen while you are frying, grilling, or broiling food. If you have to leave the kitchen for any reason, even if it's for a short period of time, you should probably turn the stove off. If you are simmering, baking, roasting, or boiling food, you should check on it regularly, or it's a good idea. You can also use a timer to remind you that you're cooking something. Always remain in your home when you're cooking. It's probably not a good idea to leave the stove on and run to the store real quick because you forgot something. You should also keep anything that can catch on fire away from your stove, such as oven mitts, wooden utensils, food packaging, paper towels, curtains, and plastic bags. Keep an eye out when you're frying. If you see wisps of smoke or the oil smells, immediately turn off the burner and/or carefully remove the pan from the burner. Smoke is a danger sign that the oil is too hot. Heat the oil slowly to the temperature that you need for frying and add the food gently to the pot or pan so the oil doesn't splatter everywhere. Also, you should keep a lid nearby to smother small grease fires. Smother the fire by sliding the lid over the pan and turn off the stovetop. Leave the pan covered until it is completely cooled. Do not remove the cover because the fire can start over again. Never move a burning pan because you can be badly burned or you can spread the fire. Never throw water or use a fire extinguisher on a grease fire. Water will only spread the fire, and the force of the extinguisher can splash flaming grease out of the pan. If your clothes catch on fire, remember to stop, drop, and roll and put out, because it'll put out the flames. Put the burns in cool running water and call 911 for help. Also, it's a good idea to create a 3-foot child-free zone around your stove, so keep children and pets away from the stove while cooking to prevent any burns. For fires inside an oven or microwave, keep the doors closed and turn off the appliance. Don't place any metal inside a microwave. Utensils, aluminum foil, or twist tie wraps, that can cause a fire. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the cooking tips that we went over. Always remember, turn off your stove when you leave the house, and covering a pan with a lid is the safest way to put out a fire.